asphalt on the ground. So remember that friction is between two surfaces and how they kind of mush and squish on the atomic level together. So we're looking at the rubber and asphalt first. And this is a 1 kilogram tire. So let's just see what the force of friction will be once we get it moving. All right, now I'm trying my best to move at a constant velocity. It's hovering at around 6 newtons or so. That was kind of a slow constant velocity. Let's just see if I can speed it up a little bit and we get the same thing. So I'm going to move at a much faster constant velocity. That is still about 6. So again, it doesn't really matter whether it's fast or slow constant velocity, just that you're at constant velocity. So those forces will equal each other. Let's head back and add some mass. All right, we're going to change a variable here and see what and if there is an effect on friction. All right, let's add a 1/2 kilogram. So now we're up to 1.5 kilograms. So make sure you write that down. 1.5 kilograms is your mass. Let's see what the effect on friction is, if any. All right, it looks like I'm hovering at about 9. About 9, maybe 9.2. What do you want to go with, Mr. L?
Yeah, that's it. Yes, we'll go with 9 point. Let's go with 9.5.
All right, split the difference here. I like it.
And this is why we're gonna linearize the data so that if there's some, we're gonna find a best fit line. The whole reason we're doing a best fit line is so that if there's a little bit of error, then it'll all come out in the end.
All right, let's add another 1/2 kilogram. So now we're up to 2 kilograms total. And again, see what effect it has on friction. All right. Steady. Right around 13, I'd say. Yeah, let's go with 13.
Sounds good.
Newtons. Now, you should be thinking about what's really changing as we change the mass here. Let's think about what forces are at play on this tire and really what's being affected as we increase the mass that we're pulling. So now I'm going to be up to 2.5 kilograms. You got to do enough trials. You can't just do 3 and do science. All right. And now we're moving. Constant. I think we're at about 15 newtons. Let's go with that again. There's definitely a lot of error happening today. We're all human. We're going to do one more data point, class, so bear with me here. We're going to go all the way to 3 kilograms. I know, super exciting. You're like, oh, 3 kilograms. Hey, you can still pump some iron with that. Here we go. All right, pretty calibrated. And let's see what effect this increase has on friction. There we go. I'd say we're at about 19 newtons. Let's go with that.
Awesome.
So, go ahead and graph, linearize, and see what kind of relationship we've got.